Hey guys, Glenn here. For everybody that's subscribed to my channel, you guys know that I'm a man that wants to get my process down the finest I can, so I save the most amount of time making the most amount of profit. I don't make a video every time I upgrade something in the shop, however, this is an upgrade that I needed. I figured might as well make a video about it because it's going to save me some time. And if it saves me time, it could save you time. Now, very simple video, I got another scale. I'm going to go over why I got a new scale and how it's going to save me time compared to the old one. I'll leave links down below if you're interested in getting them, and we're going to go right into it. Let me go into the differences between this one and this one. So this is the old scale that I used to use. The Brecnel, it's battery operated, it's quite small, and has a display here. This is the new scale I got. It's much bigger, goes up to 130 pounds instead of about 10, and as you can see, there's no screen on it specifically. You plug this thing in right here, and then your screen, you can have a big box on top of this, for instance, and still see what the weight is because it's wherever you want to put it on your desk. Another cool feature this thing has is the wings go up, so you could put irregular objects like a basketball in here or a pipe or something that's going to stay there rather than rolling right off. I'll probably never use that, but it has it if you need it. It does run battery operated. However, the best thing about this is you can plug it in and it'll actually stay on as long as you want it because it won't automatically shut off like my other scale that was shutting off every 90 seconds. That was driving me nuts, and it was actually wasting a lot of time. When you do thousands and thousands of orders a month, you'll find that you're pressing that button to turn on the scale over and over again. And it was driving me nuts, so I bought this scale. So I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to review it for you guys. You guys should think about everything that you can do to make your business faster, more productive, sleeker. If you could save 5 seconds on every order and you do thousands of orders, it's going to add up a lot. Now guys, keep in mind, it's very important when choosing a scale that you choose the right weight ratio that you're going to be into. So some go up to like 400 pounds, 360 pounds, but they're not going to do ounces. And I know a lot of you guys that follow me have very light products. So something like this, the Fusion shipping scale, it's not going to work because it goes up to 360 pounds and you can stand on it if you want to. But the big problem is if you go down to like, if you want anything less than like 6 or 5 ounces, it's not going to show up, which is a problem when you're shipping very light items. So just a warning, if you ship anything light, don't go with something like this. That's why I went with what I went with. It was very cheap, and it was in my weight range that I needed to be able to ship my items. Alright, let's unbox this bad boy. Comes with this wrapping, so if it gets wet, you shouldn't have to worry about it. This I'm super excited about. Alright, here she is. Nothing left. Let's pull this stuff off, make sure it's accurate. We're going to plug it into an adapter because I'm not going to be using batteries with this thing. Okay, so here's the power. You take this, plug it in here. Now let me find some power. Alright, so I got it set up pretty much the way I want it. Here you can see it goes on and off. Press the on, it takes a couple seconds because it's got to make sure it's at 0. And then you got a tare function, the modes. You can see you got pound, ounce, and grams. One of the ounces is how many pounds and how many ounces. So that's pretty cool. I like the settings that it has. I'll be using this one mostly. And then you got to hold, so you can like put some weight on it and then hold it, and then you'll the package can be somewhere else and you'll know that it's 1 pound, 2.4 ounces. Alright, so it works pretty cool. It doesn't turn off like the other ones. So let's put some batteries on there. I got 0.9 ounces. Alright, let's put it on the old one. 0.9 ounces. So, looks like it's gonna work for me. I could try one heavier thing like this. There's a measuring tape. I got 6.5 ounces, and this one is 6.5 ounces. So, it looks like it's calibrated just fine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Watch this video next and have a great day.